first action games made for the video computer system is Kaboom, a clever, simple concept that is difficult.
To write text on the game screen, we designed a scalable font ROM consisting of 8 by 16-bit character tiles. The tiles could be scaled or replaced dynamically, allowing text to be rewritten or changed size during runtime. Here's an example character tile. Zero padding at the top, bottom, and right edges allows the white space to scale along with the characters. We adapted this letter A from the VHDL example at the given link, then coded the rest of the characters by hand. Here's some code showing how the dynamically scaled title text was implemented. The X and Y counters repeat each pixel and row a number of times specified in the register font scale. The row and column counters keep track of the position within the tile, while the character counter keeps track of which character to draw.
You started?
ठीक है
In fact, keep this as one video.
We added external circuitry to implement the sound effects and the remote control of the pads through Bluetooth and an Android app. The circuit is basically a microcontroller, in this case the PIC18F24J11 for microchip, that is directly connected to the I/O pins of the Nexus 3 FPGA board. For the sound effects, we designed a rising edge detector on Verilog, such as for every sound we want to reproduce, the FPGA will be sending a pulse to the microcontroller. At the microcontroller, we had a series of sounds that we designed from scratch using PWM signals. These PWM signals are connected to an amplifier module, the PMOD AM2 by Digilent, and this module is connected to the speakers. For the Bluetooth communication, we built an Android app that is actively communicating with the microcontroller as long as we move the pads on the app. The microcontroller sends the required signals to the FPGA as pulses, such that for every pulse, we move the pads certain amount of pixels on the VGA screen connected to the FPGA.
Ready? Why did that go? But हरी आदत
थोड़ा हिलाना उसको अच्छा
मिडल बॉम्ब का देखना भाई स्टार्टिंग
कल देखेंगे.
That's happening because of the title screen.